Today, men are drowning in weakness, distraction, and submission. Most waste their time, their energy, and their potential. They bow to women, to addictions, to excuses. But I am not here to talk to the weak. I am here to talk to those who are ready to rise. In this video, I will give you 8 rules. 8 rules that, if you follow them, will change you completely. Rules that will build your masculinity, sharpen your energy, transform your appearance, and forge the man you were meant to be. This is not about comfort. This is about discipline, strength, and power. If you apply these 8 principles, your life will never be the same. Number 1, master your body. A weak body is a weak mind. Your energy, confidence, and presence all begin with physical strength. Every man must train. It doesn't matter if it's the gym, calisthenics, martial arts, or running. You must put your body under stress every day. Why? Because the body is the temple of discipline. A strong chest, broad shoulders, powerful arms. These are not just looks. They are symbols of discipline. Women respect it, men recognize it, and you will feel unstoppable in your own skin. Weak men make excuses. Strong men train anyway. Number 2, control your energy. Stop wasting your life force. Energy is not unlimited. Every time you give it away to pointless entertainment, to addictions, to instant gratification, you destroy your masculinity. Real men retain and redirect their energy. They use it to work, to create, to conquer. You must control your sexual energy, your attention, and your focus. If you scatter it, you will always be empty. If you guard it, you will shine like fire. Number 3, build ruthless discipline. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is eternal. Stop waiting to feel like it. You will never feel like it. Winners do what must be done, regardless of emotions. Discipline means waking up when you don't want to, training when you are tired, working when your body screams stop. Every day, every hour, every decision builds your identity. Discipline is the foundation of respect. Respect from others and respect from yourself. Number 4, master your appearance. Your look is your first message to the world. Before you open your mouth, people already know if you are disciplined. Clothes, grooming, posture, all of it reflects your inner strength. Don't dress like a boy, dress like a man. Clean, sharp, simple, powerful. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up. Your appearance must radiate confidence, not desperation. Remember, your look is a weapon. Use it. Number 5, protect your mind. A man's mind is a battlefield. Social media, weak friends. Negative voices, all of them want to steal your focus and fill your head with garbage. You must defend your mental fortress. Read books that build knowledge. Listen to voices that sharpen you. Eliminate the noise. The man who controls his mind is dangerous because nothing external can shake him. Number 6, build financial power. You cannot call yourself strong if you are broke, begging, or dependent. Money is not everything, but without it, you are weak. Build skills. Build value. Build income. Financial strength gives you freedom. Freedom to choose. Freedom to walk away. Freedom to stand tall. No man can be fully respected if he has nothing to his name. Make sure your grind pays off. Number 7, lead, don't follow. The crowd is blind. They follow trends, opinions, and lies. A man must lead. Lead himself, lead his family, lead his tribe. Leadership is not about arrogance, it is about responsibility. Step up, speak with authority, take charge when others hesitate. A man who cannot lead himself will never be respected, but the man who leads with strength will always be remembered. Number 8, live with honor and legacy. What will remain when you die? Money will be spent, looks will fade, but your legacy, your name, will live forever. Men are remembered not for comfort, but for their courage, their discipline, their impact. Live with honor. Never betray yourself. Never betray your word. Every action you take is writing your story. Write it like a warrior. not like a coward. These are the 8 principles. If you master them, your life will transform. You will have strength in your body, fire in your eyes, discipline in your actions, confidence in your presence, power in your wallet, clarity in your mind, and respect in your name. And if you refuse, then you will remain weak, forgotten, invisible, just another man lost in the crowd. The choice is yours: discipline, strength, legacy. This is the path of the warrior.